Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Before you add a theme, back up your site files and database. This prevents data loss and lets you restore quickly if needed. Choose a theme compatible with your WordPress version and PHP settings. Check required PHP memory limits and recommended PHP versions. Gather theme license keys, child theme files, and any required plugin names. Download the theme zip if purchasing from a marketplace. Keep administrator credentials ready. Log into your WordPress admin with an administrator account. Go to Appearance, then Themes, then Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Use the Upload Theme button to select your theme zip file from your computer. Click Install Now and wait for the upload and unpack process to finish. After installation, click Activate to make the theme live on your site. Import demo content only if you have a recent backup for safety and testing purposes. If the dashboard upload fails, use FTP to install the theme manually. Use an FTP client to upload an unzipped theme folder into WP content/themes on your server. Return to Appearance Themes to see the new theme and click Activate. Install required plugins listed by the theme to enable full functionality and demo imports. Create or activate a child theme before editing code to preserve updates. Use the customizer and test responsive views on mobile and desktop after activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.